Dive right into the world of data analytics with Power BI, a leading tool in business intelligence. Power BI, a product of the tech giant Microsoft, is a potent combination of analytics, visualization, and business intelligence. It's a one-stop shop for data enthusiasts, designed to transform raw data into meaningful insights. Imagine having a tool that not only integrates and models your data, but also visualizes it in a way that's easy to comprehend. That's Power BI for you. It's like having a personal translator who speaks the intricate language of data, breaking it down into digestible, actionable insights. Whether you're dealing with a handful of data or trillions of records, Power BI stands ready to assist. And the best part? Its user-friendly interface makes data analysis accessible to everyone, not just data scientists. In essence, Power BI serves as your personal guide through the vast universe of data. Data integration is the backbone of any analysis, and Power BI excels in this area. Imagine having a vast array of data sources, from Excel spreadsheets and cloud services, to streaming data and on-premises SQL Server databases. Power BI effortlessly integrates with these and a multitude of other data sources, giving you the ability to derive meaningful insights from your data, regardless of where it resides. It's not just about the number of data sources, though. Power BI's data integration capabilities also shine when it comes to the efficiency of handling large datasets. We're talking millions or even billions of rows of data. Power BI's highly optimized engine can handle these large volumes of data with ease, ensuring smooth and seamless operations. But what makes Power BI truly stand out is its user-friendly approach to data integration. It doesn't matter if you're a seasoned data analyst or someone just starting out in the world of data analysis. Power BI's intuitive interface makes integrating data a breeze. You don't need to be a SQL whiz or a coding guru. With Power BI, you just connect to your data source and you're good to go. Moreover, Power BI is more than just a tool for integrating data. It's a comprehensive platform that allows you to clean, transform, and shape your data. With its powerful query editor, you can perform complex transformations and data shaping operations, all through a user-friendly graphical interface. And the best part? All these transformations are recorded step by step, allowing you to automate repetitive tasks and making your data integration processes more efficient. In essence, Power BI takes the complexity out of data integration. It provides a powerful yet user-friendly platform that lets you connect to your data wherever it is, transform it in a way that suits your needs, and prepare it for analysis. And it does all this while handling large volumes of data with efficiency and ease. So whether you're dealing with a simple Excel spreadsheet or a complex database, Power BI has got you covered. With Power BI, integrating data from disparate sources is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Once data is integrated, the next step is modeling that data, an area where Power BI shines. Data modeling is akin to creating a blueprint or a map of your data. It's about defining relationships between different datasets, creating hierarchies, and making sense of the raw data. In essence, it is transforming the data into a format that is ready to deliver insights. Power BI simplifies this process in a remarkable way. It offers a visual approach to data modeling, allowing you to drag and drop fields, create relationships, and define hierarchies with just a few clicks. Imagine being able to see your data model in the form of a diagram, where tables are represented by rectangles and relationships by lines connecting these rectangles. It's like creating your own little universe of data. But what makes data modeling in Power BI truly unique is its data analysis expressions, or DAX. DAX is a collection of functions, operators, and constants that can be used in formulas or expressions to calculate and return one or more values. Think of it as the brain of Power BI, crunching numbers, analyzing patterns, and spitting out insights. DAX can seem a bit daunting at first, but let's demystify it. It's not a programming language, but a formula language. You don't need to be a coder to use it. If you've used functions in Excel, you're already on your way to mastering DAX. And the best part? Power BI provides a ton of resources and tutorials to help you get started. Another standout feature of Power BI's data modeling is its handling of large datasets. Power BI uses a columnar database that stores and compresses data in columns rather than rows, which makes querying and analyzing data significantly faster. In a nutshell, Power BI's data modeling capabilities are robust, intuitive, and user-friendly. Whether you're a seasoned data analyst or a newbie just dipping your toes into the world of data, Power BI has you covered. Power BI takes the complexity out of data modeling, making it a breeze. Power BI doesn't just analyze data, it helps you visualize it in ways that make sense. It's like having an artist's palette. But instead of colors, you have data. And instead of a canvas, you have your business scenarios. Now let's dive into the world of data visualization with Power BI. Firstly, Power BI offers a variety of visualization options, from traditional bar or pie charts to more complex scatter plots and waterfall charts. Each type of chart serves a unique purpose and can be used to highlight different aspects of your data. Bar charts, for instance, are great for comparing data across categories, while scatter plots can help you identify trends and patterns. But the magic doesn't stop there. With Power BI's geospatial capabilities, you can also create interactive maps, allowing you to analyze data based on geographic locations. Imagine being able to pinpoint exactly where your sales are highest, or which region needs more marketing efforts. It's like having a bird's-eye view of your business landscape. Power BI also allows you to customize your visualizations to suit your brand or presentation style. You can choose from a range of colors, fonts, and layouts to give your charts and graphs a personal touch. Plus, the drag-and-drop interface makes it easy to arrange and resize your visuals, turning your data into a compelling story. And what's a story without interactivity? Power BI's visualizations are not just static images, they are interactive and dynamic, allowing you to drill down into your data for more detailed insights. With a simple click, you can view data from different angles, filter it, and even animate it over time. Now imagine all of this power at your fingertips, transforming your raw data into actionable insights. It's not just about numbers and figures anymore. It's about creating a visual narrative that resonates with your audience, whether it's your team, your clients, or your stakeholders. With Power BI, you can turn your data into a visual masterpiece. Power BI isn't just a standalone tool, it's part of the larger Microsoft ecosystem. This integration enhances its functionality, making it even more powerful and user-friendly. Imagine being able to pull in data directly from Excel, SQL Server, or Azure into Power BI. Yes, it's as seamless as it sounds. You can even integrate Power BI with Microsoft Teams for efficient collaboration, or with SharePoint for publishing reports. This way, your data analysis becomes an integral part of your daily workflow, rather than a separate task. And it doesn't stop there. Power BI also integrates with Microsoft's advanced analytics services, like Azure Machine Learning and Azure Stream Analytics. This means you can enhance your data analysis with predictive analytics, real-time data processing, and more. In essence, Power BI becomes a centralized hub for all your data analysis needs, tightly woven into the fabric of your Microsoft environment. Power BI and Microsoft together make a formidable team in data analysis. In a nutshell, Power BI is a comprehensive data analysis tool that checks all the right boxes. It's like your trusted sidekick in the realm of data analysis, always ready to help you make sense of your data and transform it into actionable insights. Let's take a quick stroll down memory lane and recap what we've unpacked today. We kicked off our journey into Power BI by introducing its role in data analysis and business intelligence. We discovered that Power BI isn't just a tool, it's a complete ecosystem designed to integrate, model, and visualize data in a seamless manner. We then dove into the world of data integration where Power BI shines brightly. With its ability to connect with various data sources, Power BI is like a master key that unlocks the doors to your data repositories, bringing all your data under one roof. Next, we explored the magic of data modeling in Power BI. Akin to a skilled chef, Power BI takes raw ingredients, your data, and crafts a delightful dish, your business insights. It's here that Power BI's robust analytics capabilities come into play, turning the complex into comprehensible. Our journey then brought us to the vibrant landscapes of data visualization. Power BI, with its user-friendly interface and wide array of visualization options, makes data storytelling a breeze. It's like having a paintbrush that allows you to paint vivid pictures with your data, helping you communicate your insights effectively. We also touched upon Power BI's compatibility with other Microsoft services, making it a well-integrated piece of the Microsoft ecosystem puzzle. And let's not forget Power BI's efficiency with large datasets, making it a reliable ally for data-intensive tasks. So, you see, Power BI is a comprehensive, robust, and user-friendly tool that's equipped to handle all your data analysis needs. It's not just about crunching numbers, it's about turning those numbers into narratives, those insights into actions, and those actions into growth. With Power BI, you have the power to turn data into decisions. So why wait? Start your data journey with Power BI today.